So cute.
They finally, after an hour and a half, they figured out who they were.
So which one's Maverick?
The one on the right. And then the one on the left is, this one's Louie.
Louie.
Hey, Louie, Maverick. Louie, Maverick.
Get him, Maverick. Get him, Maverick. Don't.
Well, the bigger one, we have a German Shepherd at home, so he's used to the other way around. Yeah, and Maverick has little poodles. My parents have poodles, so he's used to them not wanting to play with him.
Jump on him, Maverick.
Pounce! You can pounce!
Is Louie older?
No, they're the same age.
They're the same age.
Maverick! 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 Hey, see if he'll... Hey, look. Look. Hey. Hey, you're sweet. I think he likes to be on the ground.
Yeah.
He's been doing like flips. Oh, that's taller. Yeah, I'll get it in a second.